From scratch, this journey began in 2017 with the hope and excitement of serving the students and parents living nearby in their academics and their career, and to help children to develop soft skills that are very necessary in this competitive world. By the end of first year, that is in 2018, Kritika grabbed the gold medal in the NSO IMO Olympiad and got 88% in her class 9th. Akshat got 26th rank in Social Science Olympiad. Soumya scored 91.6% in 10th boards. Athav qualified JEE Mains and also qualified VIT EEE and is now studying at VIT Vellore. By the end of second year, that is in 2019, Kalpesh got international rank 332 in level 1 and merit in level 2 NSO and got gold medal in Maths Olympiad in his class 9th. 7 students scored more than 90% in class 10th boards, including 96.6 from Anushka, Janmesh 94.6, Namans 93, Manpreet's 92.8, Harsh 91.6 and Ishan's 90%. In the competitive section, Astha qualified JEE Mains and is currently studying in SCTI Vidisha Electrical Engineering Department. Shivani qualified JEE Mains and now studying UIT RGBV Civil Engineering Department. Sonali qualified NEET and she is currently studying in Homeopathic Medical College. Aarti also qualified NEET and now studying in Government Homeopathic College. Mohit grabbed 132 rank in MPPAT and is now pursuing agricultural engineering in Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vishwavidyalaya Jabalpur. Then comes the end of the third year, that is 2020, the unforgettable year because of COVID-19 pandemic. In July, 10th results came and 3 students scored percentage more than 90. They are Avika with 96.4, Kushank with 94.2, Sia with 92% respectively. Sia also grabbed her black belt in karate. Rishi qualified JEE Mains with 97 percentile and is now pursuing engineering in IT branch from IIT DAVV Indore. Apurva qualified NEET and pursuing MBBS from Heritage Institute of Medical Sciences, Varanasi. Diksha also qualified NEET and is currently in Government Homeopathic Medical College pursuing BHMS. And now we are heading towards the end of our fourth year, that is 2021. In 2021, JEE Main was the first event in which Ayush qualified JEE Main with 98.78 percentile. Now he is looking forward for a good rank in JEE Advanced. Prachi and Manas also qualified JEE and are currently preparing for 12th boards. Other than these academic results, Pratyaksha preparing for class 10, completed a degree in Kathak. Manpreet completed a diploma in vocal singing. She is currently preparing for her 12th examination. The upcoming exams in which our students will be appearing are the remaining 3 JEE Mains attempts, 10th and 12th boards, JEE Advanced and NEET. So, as you can see, our results are improving year by year. We aspire to move forward with determination and with more determined students. We always believe in evolving and growing forward and improve the results every year. We welcome the students who carry a zeal to crack the examination and become synchronized with the heat of the institute. We are putting our honest efforts in developing the learning environment in residential areas of South Bhopal. We wish a student must not travel much more for quality education in an ideal society. Students must have quality education near their homes. Earlier, students did not have alternative than to travel to MP Nagar for competitive examination preparation, but now they have us. Know more about us by following us on Facebook, Insta and YouTube. Please forward this message to the people of Bhopal. You can contact us for more details.